Hey everybody, Justin from Destination Kia here. Well, temperatures are dropping and the snow is going to start to fly soon, so I wanted to take a moment as quality assurance manager to make sure that you have a thorough understanding of your all-wheel drive system in any Kia that it's equipped in. I'm sitting today in a 2025 Kia Telluride, of course, all-wheel drive equipped, but what you may or may not know is how the all-wheel drive lock function works. Any Kia equipped with all-wheel drive is self-engaging. The vehicle will default to two-wheel drive, and when road conditions call for it, it will automatically send power to the opposite set of wheels. Well, if you've got this all-wheel drive lock button, you may wonder what that does. When we press it, you'll notice that there's an icon that illuminates on the dashboard to let you know you've done so. The all-wheel drive lock is designed so those really wet, slippery days where you'd like the peace of mind knowing that your all-wheel drive is always functioning, you can do so. Rather than waiting for road conditions to dictate that it should send power to the opposing set of wheels, instead, utilizing your all-wheel drive lock will ensure that there's always power sent to the front and the rear wheels. Now, the one caveat there is when you exceed a certain speed, obviously, road conditions are safe enough that all-wheel drive is not necessary. So above a certain point, the all-wheel drive will disengage, but once you fall below that speed again, the all-wheel drive lock causes the function to re-engage, and you know that all four wheels are working to get you to your intended destination safely. Well, guys, there'll be plenty more videos about how to keep yourself safe and warm as the weather cools off, but if you think that you're interested in a vehicle like this, well, there's only one place to go. Get on down here to Destination Kia, because you know we can't wait to see you.